Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be learning about how to capture your computer screen on Windows 8 or Windows 8.1. So let's get started. So first you go to your Windows and you search steps recorder. So there's it. So you'll pin this to the taskbar for easy access. So go back here and that's it. So you click on this steps recorder. When you click on it, so here you can choose to start your recording right away, and you choose your location or the path you want to store your file after it. But some people, you can also choose to set the direction, or like set the path or the file where your saved or recordings will go. So let's say browser. Let's say I'll save it here, documents with the name recording. I'll save it here. And there's it. Okay, so from here you can start your recording. So let's say press on start record. Let's say I open my file explorer here. I open it. Let's say I go to downloads. I move back. I close it here, and I open, let's say I open Google Chrome and I close it. So here, after that, I can stop recording, and after you have stopped recording, your output will be saved. Because I already choose the path or like the file location, I don't have to choose another file location again, so I'll just simply go here and I can close this for now. Go there and go to the documents, and there's it, the recording. There's it. There's the zip file of the recording. That's it. So so after that, you can open your recording here. That's an HTML file. So there's it. So after I've opened this file, you see like it's kind of steps. It's captured all the steps I went through here. So you see this file, these captures or these pictures are like in a single file. So for me to get like every single picture I took, I'll have to go to the Windows again, and I'll search the sniping tool. So for me to get an easy access to the sniping tool, I have to pin it to the taskbar. Right, so I have the sniping tool here. So let's get to the start of the process. Let's say I want to capture this, I want to save this part of the process, and I'll open the sniping tool here. When I open the sniping tool, I can start a new capture. So I'll click on new. So after I click on new, just select the path of the picture I want to capture. So let's select this part. So this is the part I've selected, and for me to save this, I'll go to file, save as. Yeah, I can save it like capture 1. Let's say capture 1. I'll click on save that some documents. Save. Alright, so I'll close this, and I can go to my files here, go to documents. As you see, I have this capture 1 here already here. So anytime I open it, I can view it. So you can also choose there are some options here. You can choose like freeform sniping or regular rectangular sniping or window snipe. So it all depends on your full screen snipe. So you can choose any option you want. So I think let's also try this. For example, let's try this. Let's try this capture for example. So new, select it. Okay, so you can also save this. Alright, this documents, let's say capture 2. Yeah, so we save it. So that's it. So this is a very simple step. This shows you how to capture your screen, computer screen, with on Windows 8 and Windows 8.1 without installing any application or any software. So that's simple as that. So if you like this video, you can click on the like button, and if you want to subscribe, just subscribe to my channel and you get updates and videos, interesting videos about computer stuffs. Thank you very much. Bye.